Welcome to Mobility Supercenter. We are very excited to show you this Ram ProMaster Tempest cloaked in cashmere paint with a beautiful tan interior. It has plenty of room and power to make your life much easier and gets great gas mileage. This is a full-size conversion with lots of room and a split ramp that allows people to enter and exit the van without having to deploy the ramp. The ramp is a fully automatic, built tough to handle the demands of families on the go. This is a solid performer. When the ramp is open, you have lots of clearance. The interior has a DVD, CD player, and all the extras plus space to move. The beautiful tan leather interior assures you ride in luxury. With the push of a few buttons, the ramp lifts easily into the vehicle and the sliding door closes. It is sleek and styling and solid in its performance. The beautiful design offers the room you need and the styling you want. The front of the vehicle is stunning, and lots of glass increases the driving visibility. In addition, the back of the vehicle has a significant amount of room for your luggage. The barn doors open easily for easy access. When open, you have lots of clearance. It even has a hitch for towing. Stop by the Mobility Supercenter and talk to a mobility consultant about the Ram ProMaster.